Discover the latest automotive gadgets and innovations you didn't know you needed. Welcome to a showcase of groundbreaking car inventions, designed to elevate your driving experience. From cutting-edge accessories to clever gadgets, these surprising innovations will amaze you. Enhance your car's look and feel with the new OMU Genesis Series gear shift knob, designed exclusively for Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT models. This premium shift knob combines sleek carbon fiber accents with durable aluminum alloy, creating an angular, rugged design that instantly modernizes your interior. Weighing just 1.05 kilograms and measuring 172 by 169 by 169 millimeters, it provides a comfortable, precise shifting experience with a touch of luxury. Its robust construction ensures durability, while the carbon fiber detailing adds a stylish edge, perfect for off-road enthusiasts or daily drivers seeking an upgrade. Finished with meticulous craftsmanship, this gear lever not only boosts your Jeep's aesthetics, but also delivers long-lasting performance wherever your adventures take you. Expand your storage space effortlessly with the Flated Air Carrier, an innovative inflatable rooftop cargo carrier. Made from durable drop-stitch fabric with PVC sidewalls and neoprene weather flaps, it provides excellent protection against the elements. Its aerodynamic design reduces drag, helping to improve fuel efficiency while on the road. When not in use, it deflates and rolls up compactly into the included storage bag with shoulder straps for easy transport. The wide-access, lockable two-way zippers ensure convenient loading, while internal pockets help keep smaller items organized. Built-in webbing straps secure the carrier to most crossbars, and additional straps allow installation on vehicles without them. With a spacious 23 cubic feet of storage and a quick inflation system, the Flated Air Carrier is the perfect solution for road trips, outdoor adventures, or everyday travel. Experience the future of mobility with Hyundai Mobis e-Corner system, a groundbreaking technology that redefines vehicle movement. This advanced system integrates driving, braking, steering, and suspension into each wheel, allowing for unmatched maneuverability. With features like crab driving, vehicles can move sideways with ease, while zero turn enables a full 360-degree rotation in place. Diagonal driving lets the car glide at a 45-degree angle, and pivot turn allows smooth rotation around a fixed axis. By removing traditional mechanical linkages, this system gives each wheel independent control, making parking and tight turns effortless. Designed for urban environments and futuristic vehicles, the e-Corner system was successfully tested on the Hyundai Ioniq 5, proving its game-changing potential for the automotive world. The Naturnest rooftop tent is a durable and spacious hard-shell tent designed for outdoor enthusiasts. It comfortably fits 2 adults and 1 child, making it ideal for couples or small families. When fully opened, it measures 82 inches long, 51 inches wide, and 60 inches high, providing plenty of space for a comfortable rest. Made from a sturdy aluminum hardshell and tear-resistant polyester cotton canvas, it is both UV-resistant and waterproof, ensuring protection in all weather conditions. Weighing 155 pounds, it remains stable and secure on compatible vehicles. Thanks to air struts, the tent sets up in just 30 seconds, allowing for quick and effortless deployment. With its rugged materials, compact storage, and easy setup, the Naturnest rooftop tent is perfect for those who love adventure and convenience. The IAG Tailgate air compressor system is a powerful onboard air solution designed for the 2021 and newer Ford Bronco models. This system allows you to inflate tires and operate pneumatic tools with ease, making it an essential addition for off-road adventures. The V-Air 400 compressor can inflate a 37-inch tire from 15 psi to 35 psi in just 3 minutes, ensuring quick adjustments on the go. Its integrated design mounts inside the tailgate with a vented aluminum shield for heat management, while a 1-gallon air tank sits discreetly behind the spare tire mount. With 2 quick connect air couplers, you can access compressed air from either the spare tire area or inside the tailgate. The system can be controlled via an interior tailgate switch or wired into the Bronco's auxiliary switches for seamless operation. Installation is simple, with a pre-terminated wiring harness, allowing for a quick and hassle-free setup in just a few hours. The Sortimo TopSystem is a versatile and durable roof rack system designed for transporting heavy and oversized objects, such as ladders and construction materials. Made from high-strength aluminum alloy, it is lightweight, impact-resistant, and corrosion-resistant, ensuring long-lasting performance. The system can include a lightweight aluminum ladder attached to the rear of the vehicle, making it easier to access the roof. Loading and unloading are effortless for one person, thanks to its transformable structure that allows smooth operation with the help of a removable aluminum lever. Additionally, intelligent fasteners secure the load safely on the roof, preventing shifting during transport. The Sortimo TopSystem provides a flexible, modular, and reliable solution for professionals who need efficient cargo transportation. The Thinkscan Max 2 is a professional diagnostic tool designed for advanced vehicle diagnostics and maintenance. It features a 6-inch touchscreen display with a high-resolution interface for easy navigation. Running on Android 10.0, it includes 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage, ensuring smooth performance. The device supports 28 maintenance functions, such as oil reset, ABS bleeding, battery matching, and DPF regeneration, making it a versatile tool for mechanics. It is also compatible with CAN FD protocol, allowing it to work with newer GM vehicles produced after 2020. With AutoVIN technology, users can quickly identify vehicles and perform full system scans. Wireless connectivity through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.0 enables fast updates and report sharing. Plus, lifetime free updates ensure the Thinkscan Max 2 stays up to date with the latest vehicle models. The Mirack Gen 4 swinging spare wheel carrier is a durable and versatile accessory designed for off-road enthusiasts. It securely holds spare tires up to 35 inches in diameter and fits any 2-inch hitch receiver, making it widely compatible. The strut-assisted swing-away design allows for easy access to the rear of your vehicle, available in both left-hand and right-hand configurations. Built from heavy-duty steel with a satin black powder-coated finish, it is highly resistant to corrosion and off-road wear. This carrier also supports towing up to 2 tons, so you can haul trailers without removing it. Additional features include a number plate relocator with LED lighting, an anti-rattle mechanism, and locking wheel nuts for extra security. With its strong construction and practical design, the Mirack Gen 4 is the ideal solution for carrying a spare wheel on any rugged adventure. Discover a new dimension in surface cleaning with the ICS Dry Ice Cleaning System, an efficient alternative to traditional methods. This innovative system removes even the most stubborn contaminants without using water, electricity, or harsh chemicals. Its advanced design delivers exceptional flexibility, performance, and power, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The dry ice delivery system supports both 0.06-inch and 0.12-inch pellets, and features a maintenance-free operation with flow control via an ergonomic gun. Quick training and easy operation ensure seamless use, requiring only a compressed air supply. The lightweight hose and precision jet gun allow for effortless handling, even in tight spaces or hard-to-reach areas. Ideal for automotive detailing, car washing, and industrial cleaning, this portable system is perfect for mobile use in workshops, car dealerships, manufacturing plants, and service industries. The ARB Awning is a high-quality vehicle-mounted shelter designed for outdoor adventures. Made from PU-coated 300 GSM poly cotton ripstop canvas, it is fully waterproof and offers UVP 50+ protection against the sun. Available in 3 sizes, it easily attaches to roof racks and bars, fitting up to 6.9 feet high mounting points, making it a versatile addition to any vehicle. The self-standing, retractable design includes height-adjustable telescopic legs and a heavy-duty storage bag for convenience. Setup is quick and simple, with pegs, guy ropes, and mounting hardware included. Some models feature built-in LED lighting, providing illumination during nighttime use. With its rugged construction and ease of use, the ARB Awning is a trusted choice for campers and overlanders. Upgrade your Jeep with the Smittybilt Atlas door steps, a practical solution for reaching roof-mounted gear with ease. Built from heavy-duty 1/8-inch steel and coated in a black powder finish, these steps are designed to withstand rough conditions and support up to 350 pounds. The non-slip serrated surface ensures a secure grip, even in wet or muddy environments. Installation is quick and drill-free, as they mount directly to the factory door hinges of 2007 and newer Jeep Wrangler JK, JL, and Gladiator JT models. These steps go beyond convenience, featuring integrated tie-down points for extra security and a built-in bottle opener for added utility. The included gaskets protect your vehicle's paint, keeping it in top condition. Whether you're loading cargo, setting up a rooftop tent, or just adding rugged style, the Atlas door steps make every adventure easier. The B-Kit Extra Car Door Armor is a highly reliable protection system designed to safeguard vehicles against unexpected threats and dangers. Developed using advanced ballistic technology, it is derived from military-grade armor to provide superior defense. This high-quality armor panel is capable of stopping bullets from pistols, shotguns, and rifles, ensuring maximum safety. It attaches quickly and securely to the exterior of your vehicle, without major modifications or complicated installation. Built from extremely strong materials fused under 25 million pounds of force, it offers exceptional durability. The precisely molded design is color-matched to blend seamlessly with the vehicle's factory hue, maintaining its original appearance. Available in 3 protection levels, the lightweight panel also allows for custom graphics, making it a versatile and effective safety upgrade. The iKamper Skycamp 3.0 is a premium rooftop tent designed for adventure seekers who value comfort and convenience. Setting up in just 1 minute, this tent allows campers to quickly establish shelter wherever they go. With space for up to 4 people, it features a king-size mattress, making it ideal for families or small groups. The 2.5-inch thick 9-zone insulated mattress ensures a comfortable and restful sleep by evenly distributing body weight. Constructed with a double-layered fiber-reinforced plastic (FRP) hardshell, it offers durability, soundproofing, and condensation resistance. Large windows and a sky-view panel provide great ventilation and scenic views, making the camping experience even better. Designed for ease of use, the tent includes re-engineered locking latches and secure mounting brackets, ensuring a hassle-free installation and setup. The Nissan X-Trail 4Dogs is a concept vehicle designed for pet owners who want a comfortable and safe travel experience for their dogs. It features a built-in 360-degree dog shower and dryer, allowing owners to clean their pets before they re-enter the vehicle. The spacious cargo area is transformed into a luxurious pet-friendly space, complete with bedding, a no-spill water bowl, and a treat dispenser. A foldable access ramp makes it easier for dogs, especially older or smaller ones, to get in and out of the vehicle. For added security, the 2-way dog cam allows owners to monitor their pets from the infotainment screen, while also letting dogs see their owners. These features ensure a stress-free and enjoyable trip for both pets and their owners. Enhance your driving experience with the Autostarke electric sidestep, designed to improve both functionality and accessibility. This durable and comfortable feature makes getting in and out of your vehicle effortless. Activated by the vehicle's factory door sensor, it automatically extends to provide a secure, non-slip footrest when the door is opened and retracts seamlessly after closing, maintaining the vehicle's sleek design. The intelligent footrest ensures that every passenger, whether adults, seniors, or individuals with disabilities, can enter and exit with ease. Made from high-quality, weather-resistant materials, it is built for durability and convenience. Perfect for SUVs, pickup trucks, and vans. The LifeSaver Jerrycan is an innovative portable water purifier designed to provide clean drinking water during travel, off-roading, or in areas with limited water access. Unlike a regular water container, it features a built-in filtration system, eliminating the need for additional purification methods such as boiling or chemicals. Using ultrafiltration technology, it effectively removes viruses, bacteria, cysts, and other harmful microorganisms with a pore size of 0.15 microns. The 18.5-liter capacity ensures an ample water supply, while its durable construction makes it resistant to damage, temperature changes, and sunlight. To use, simply fill the canister with water, close the lid, and use the built-in pump to create pressure. Within moments, clean, filtered water is ready to be dispensed through the faucet. The replaceable filter can purify up to 20,000 liters, making it an essential tool for outdoor adventures and emergency preparedness. The EGR Roll Track is a premium electric roll cover, designed to improve the security and functionality of pickup truck beds. Made from durable aluminum, it integrates with your vehicle's remote central locking system, ensuring maximum cargo protection. The Smart Electronic Control Unit, ECU, provides smooth, reliable operation while preserving battery life. Built for tough conditions, its interlocking slats and claw hook latches can withstand over 200 kilograms of force, offering best-in-class security. A weather-resistant design with large drainage tubes helps keep cargo dry in all climates. The universal T-channel side rail system allows for easy accessory mounting, making it a versatile choice for any adventure. With its seamless integration, strong construction, and modern technology, the EGR Roll Track is a must-have upgrade for pickup owners. The Dometic Tailgater Air is an inflatable awning designed to provide extra sheltered space for vehicles with rear tailgates, such as SUVs, MPVs, and crossovers. This universal fit awning easily attaches to a variety of vehicles, creating a comfortable outdoor area. Made from lightweight yet durable WeatherShield 68D polyester, it is water-resistant and built to last. The multi-point inflation system uses air poles that inflate individually, making setup and takedown simple. With its freestanding drive-away design, you can detach it from your vehicle while keeping your campsite reserved. Its spacious dimensions of 3,000 millimeters by 2,200 millimeters by 2,150 millimeters provide ample room for relaxation and storage. Whether for camping or road trips, the Dometic Tailgater AIR is the perfect outdoor companion. That's all for today, friends. Which inventions impressed you most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more amazing tools and gadgets. See you soon.